Guys, watch. Once it's 3:30, this will call the cats to come and eat. It will automatically give them food. Watch. This one is already hungry. Think 3:30. They're supposed to have food. You see? This one is coming. You see? Assuming we are not home, this system is designed to feed them even when we are away from home. You know, so that they can be able to eat while we are away. Once it's 3:30, it will feed them automatically. That's one of the things that happen here. System works. But this one don't usually like dry food. But that one there always want dry food. You know.